Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Roblox account you want to link and the one currently attached. This avoids accidental lockouts. Next, open Discord where the Bloxlink bot is present and confirm you have permission to use link commands. Once done, note any role or server mapping tied to the old link so you can restore it later. Now issue the unlink command for the old account. This first action frees the Roblox slot and prepares Bloxlink to accept the new connection. After unlinking, watch for the bot's confirmation message. This ensures the previous association is removed. Then start the new link flow, issue the link command, and copy the verification code displayed. Open Roblox on the target account, paste the code into the Bloxlink verification field or profile as instructed, and complete the handshake. Make sure usernames match exactly and that the Roblox account is public enough to accept verification. If verification times out, restart the link command immediately and retry the code. Once verification succeeds, the bot will confirm the new link and automatically apply roles if configured. Verify you received expected roles and access. If you backed up mappings, reapply them now and test gated channels or commands to ensure everything behaves correctly. Should something go wrong, first check the bot's status and permissions in server settings, then confirm the Roblox account's privacy allows verification. Adjust and repeat the link command. If persistent failures continue, recheck for typos, wait a few minutes, then attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.